This is Sunita, Biological CRT from KGBV, Chapadu, Kadapa district. How are you students? Studying in well on online classes. Stay home and stay safe. Reaching of the age of adolescence, the period of life when the body undergoes change leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. It beginning around the age of 11 and at least up to 18 or 19 years of age, since this period covered the teens into 19 years of age. Adolescents are also called teenagers. Reaching the age of adolescence, topic covered in the lesson. Different stage of life, puberty, secondary sexual characteristics, and hormones, the different stage of life. Infancy 0 to 2 years, childhood 3 to 12 years, adolescence age 13 to 19 years, adulthood 21 to 41 years, adult age above 40 years. The different changes that take place during adolescence are the sign of puberty increased when reached sexual maturity, then puberty ends. At this stage, one can be there are several which can be observed in the body of women during puberty. There are increased in height, sudden increase in height in then most of conspirations change during puberty. Increased in height, sudden increase in height, the most of conspicuous change during puberty. A growth in a long bones of legs and arms cases in increase in height. The growth in girls is observed faster than that of the boys. Both boys as well as girls reached adolescence at the age of 18 years. Change in body shape. During puberty, body became more muscles. Also, shoulders and chest became wide and waist became narrow. The body of girls became wider below waist and narrow at shoulders. Next, change in voice. As the children reached the age of adolescence, voice box or larynx also grows. The voice of boys became hoarse in a place. A child voice at the time creaks. The Adam apple is actually particular growth of our voice box or larynx. The larynx is made up of 9 cartilages, one of which is the largest called as thyroid cartilage. The Adam's apple is a form due to elongation of thyroid cartilage which produce out of front of the neck. This is caused mainly by some male hormones during adolescence. As a result of this, muscles attached to the cartilage get loosed and squeeze the pimples, they make your face appear with a black spot. What should we do? 1. Do not scratch the pimples. Wash your face regularly with a mild soap. Use lukewarm water to wash pimples and skin. Never get worried of pimples because stress and strain may help from the increased development of sex organs. Let us already about the male and female reproductive organs already learned in the previous chapter. At the age, male sexual organs like the testes and pins developed completely. The testes also beginning to produce sperms. In the girls, the ovary enlarged and eggs beginning to mature. Ovaries also start releasing matured eggs. Primary sexual characteristics. The sexual organs by which children are identified as boys or girls at birth represent primary sexual characteristics. Characters appear in human beings at the onset of puberty are called secondary characters. At this age of male sexual organs like the testes and penis develop completely. The testes also beginning to produce sperms. In girls, the ovary enlarged and eggs beginning to matured ovaries also started released matured eggs. Let us recall about the female reproductive organ already learned in the previous chapter. Adolescents became capable of reproduction. Ovaries beginning in produced gametes. Actually, there is no specific age, mostly in between 11 to 15 years, if different from person to person. Nowadays, girls are reaching adolescent period earlier than expected. Some observation explain that it is because of polluted food such as estrogen present in milk may also affect. The first mature menstrual cycle occurs in two stages. There are proliferative stage, secretory stage. Menstrual cycle occurs once in a 28 to 13 days. During menstrual cycle, entire female reproductive system, especially the ovary and uterus, undergo changes in anticipation of fertilization and pregnancy. Proliferative stage. During the first 12 to 14 days of the cycle, the production and development of ovum is seen. At the same time, internal development of reproductive part occurs. Secretory stage. Ovulation occurs on the 14 days. Second half of the menstrual cycle occurs in the lateral 14 to 16 days. During this period, development internal tissues and uterus and ovary thickened their white fur carry fertilized embryo in the name of pregnancy. If this do not occur by the 26 days in the internal tissues of reproductive organs are discharged and expelled. Expulsion of discharged tissues and blood conclude one menstrual cycle. Monophase. At 45 to 15 years of age, the menstrual cycle stops. This stage is known as monophase. Of zygote in human beings, male, female, animals. Males release of the testes. Female release of the ovary. Testes produce of the sperm. Ovary produce of the ovum. Waiting for fission at fallopian tube. And it take place of fertilization in fallopian tube. Fertilization after forming of zygote. Not yet take a place of fertilization. Menstruation. How to forming of zygote in human beings? Male, female, animals. Males release of the testes. Female release of the ovary. Testes produce of the sperm. Ovary produce of the ovum. Waiting for fission at fallopian tube. And it take place of fertilization in fallopian tube. Fertilization after forming of zygote. Not yet take a place of fertilization. Menstruation. And adolescence. Hormones. There are chemical substances released by endocrine glands. Endocrine glands, ductless glands which release hormones are called endocrine glands. Observe the picture. The major endocrine glands. Function of the endocrine glands about hormones. The pituitary. The secretion of this gland known as hormones which are directly released into blood. The thyroid gland, the parathyroid gland, the pineal gland, the thymus gland, the testis, the ovary, hypothalamus. The hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is located at the base of the brain near the chiasm where the optic nerve behind each eye across and meet. The hypothalamus secretes hormones. They stimulate or suppress the releasing of hormones in the pituitary gland in addition to controlling water balance. Pituitary. The pituitary gland is located below the brain, usually no larger than a pea. The gland controls many functions of the other endocrine gland. Next, pineal body. The pineal body is located below the corpus callosum in the middle of the brain. They produces the hormone melatonin which help the body know when it's time to sleep. Next one, thyroid and parathyroid. The thyroid gland and parathyroid gland are located in front of neck, below the larynx, voice box. The thyroid plays an important role in the body's metabolism. The parathyroid gland plays an important role in the regulation of body's calcium balance. Thymus. Thymus is located in the upper of the chest and produces white blood cells that fight infections and destroy abnormal cells. The pancreas is located across the abdomen behind the stomach. The pancreas plays a role in digestion as well as hormone production. Hormones produced by the pancreas include insulin and glycogen, which regulate levels of blood sugar. Ovary. A woman's ovaries are located on both sides of the uterus, below of the opening of the fallopian tubes, fallopian that ended from the uterus to the ovaries. In addition to containing the egg cells necessary for reproduction, the ovaries also produce estrogen, progesterone. The girl's ovaries beginning to produce the female hormone estrogen, which bring about the development of breast milk secreting or testes. A man's testes are located in a pouch that hangs suspended outside the male body. The testes produce testosterone and sperm. Adrenal gland. An adrenal gland is located on top of each kidney. Like many glands, the adrenal glands work hand in hand. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland, the adrenal gland make and release corticosteroid hormone and epinephrine that maintain blood pressure and regulate metabolism. Following table show a list of some endocrine glands and some of the hormones produced by them. Given of the table, number of glands, release of hormones, effect of in the body. First of all, testis. Testis glands release the testosterone hormone, release of sperm and secondary sexual characters in the male. Next one, ovaries, release of the hormone estrogen, release of ovum, menstruation, secondary sexual characters in female. Third one, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, release of the hormones, pituitary hormone like growth hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. Pituitary glands effects brings about generally growth, stimulates other endocrine glands, FH direct estrogen from formation of ovum or eggs in uterus of females. Well, in males directs testosterone to stimulate sperm sacs to produce sperms. LH case the eggs to burst out the flow into the fallopian tubes. Next one, adrenal gland. Adrenaline gland, release of hormone adrenaline, control of emotions. Behavior of adolescents. Interesting towards body and self increases. They might develop attraction towards opposite sex. The mind of an adolescent is full of jealous acts and urge to find reason of several things around. Emotion there are in turbulent state and At all times, they get new thoughts for their life activities. Adolescents behave here in a different manner as compared to what they did during childhood with their parents and elders. Adolescents are more independent in nature and very self conscious. And adolescents feel insecure while trying to adjust to the change in the body and the mind. That hunger levels of adolescents are very high. They need to eat different varieties of food. This is the stage of rapid growth and development because the diet for an adolescence has to be carefully planned. Balanced diet include proteins, carbohydrates, fat, vitamin in a requested proportion. Balanced meal, milk and fruit, vegetables are also useful for nourishment. Avoid the junk food. Adolescents generally prefer chips packets and tinned snacks and other roadside fast food. They are commonly called as junk foods. These junk foods appear to be very tasty, but they should never replace the balanced diet. Eating them regularly may cause unwanted problems like obesity, mouth and stomach ulcers, increase in blood sugar levels and blood pressure, etc. Cleanliness. Very important in the period of adolescence, self cleanliness and surrounding cleanliness. We have studied that the sweat glands became more activity in adolescence and give body a distinctive odor. So it is better to have bath as a at least twice a day. All parts of the body and inner wears should be washed and cleaned every day. If cleanliness is not maintained, there are change of having fungi, bacteria, and other unwanted infections. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual cycle, making use of disposable napkins may reduce change of infections. Present all the schools provide the government and disposable napkins and health. It is very important to be healthy and fit at any stage of life. For this, proper nutrition and hygiene is necessary. So far, we have discussed that adolescence is the age when growth and development take place at a faster rate. That is why it became more essential to be carefully about health and hygiene in the adolescence period. Physically exercise is very important in the period of adolescence. Walking and playing in fresh air keep the body fit and healthy. All younger boys and girls should take a walk, exercise and play outdoor games. Their physical activity lead to conditions of better health and sound sleep and by mental peace. Adolescence is a period when many changes take place in the body. Because of these changes, one may get tensed. In this situation, if anybody suggests that You will get relief if you take some drugs. Just say no unless prescribed by the medical doctor. In case of having any problems, insecurity or tension, it is better to discuss and take help of your elders, parents, teachers or doctors. A famous physiologist, Stanley Hall, stated, "The adolescence is the age of stress and strain. By getting proper guidelines from teachers, parents, and elders, you ultimately be able to lead a happy, meaningful life." Teenage mothers are not prepared mentally for motherhood. Early marriages and motherhood cause health problems in the mother and child. It also curtails employment opportunities for the young women and may cause mental agony as she is not ready for responsibility of motherhood. As per Child Marriages Restraint Act 1978, the maximum age for marriage in 21 years for female and 23 years for males. A female whose age is less than 21 years is not physically or mentally developed. Because of anatomical immunity, she is not in a condition to either to lead a marriage life or to have children. Marriage at lower age for girls became a agreed risk both for the girls and by the children. Hence, child marriages is a social sin. It should be avoided. Improve your learning. What is adolescence period? What is adolescence period? Once again repeat the question. What is adolescence period? What is Adam's apple? Once again, what is Adam's apple? The sexual characters in boys. Once again, named the sexual characters. What is the age for the production of gametes? Once again, what is the age for the what is monophase? Once again, what is monophase? What is the legal age for marriage? Once again, what is the legal age for marriage? What is function of endocrine glands? What is function of endocrine glands? What is the name of the male hormone? Once again, what is the name of the male hormone? What is the hormone begins to produce in girls? Once again, what is the hormone begins to produce in girls? Necessary to be healthy in adolescence. Once again, what is necessary to be healthy in adolescence? Hormones control emotions. Once again, which hormone control emotions? The blanks. Fill in the blanks. The larynx is made up of dash. Second,
Hormone is called as dash. Endocrine glands are also called as dash. The gland present above the kidney is dash. Child marriages is dash evil. Okay, students, read well as do well. Answer the questions, previous asking questions. One important thing to say, stay home and stay safe. Attend the online classes. Thanks for watching my videos.